Welcome, dear students. So, today let's start our new lesson. Lesson number 3, Programming Multiple Sprites in Scratch. In our previous class, we have already read about Scratch, but there we have made the programs using only one sprite. Here we are going to learn the programming using multiple sprites. So to make the programs, let's get familiar with the Scratch interface. Those who are having laptop, they can download it, but those who are not having, they can make Scratch programs in their mobile also. How they can? Let's see. In mobile, first of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Then here we have to type online Scratch programming. Click on this link. Here we are having the option of create. When we will click on create, then Scratch interface will be in front of us. Now we all are familiar with this Scratch interface. Let's recapitalize the concepts again. This cartoon is known as the sprite. Basically, sprite is the cartoon character that play in our stories and games or animations. The area where it moves is known as the stage. So this is the area where it is going to play the stories or games. Next, here you can see in the left corner, these are the different blocks. Blocks means the containers that contain related instructions. For example, here motion will have the instructions that are related to the movement of the sprite. Here you can see that there are the different instructions. These instructions we have already used in grade 3, like move instruction. Move is used to make the sprite move for few number of steps. For example, if I click on this, then you can see on the stage that the sprite is moving. Okay, next block is looks block. Looks is used to change the appearance of the sprite. Now here the meaning of appearance means its pose, its looks. For example, here when I click on costume tab here, then you can see there are the two costumes of this cat sprite. Now in first sprite it seems that it is walking, and in another costume it seems that it is trying to running. So these are the two different costumes of this sprite. So you can click any costume to have any costume on the stage. Let's click again back to code. After that, here we are having this sound block. Now the use of the sound block is if we want to add some musical notes into it. अगर आपको कोई भी music add करना है, कोई sound add करनी है, in that case you can use the instructions from the sound block. Next is the event block. Event block is used to start the execution of the program. Means if you want that your program should start by clicking on the green flag, in that case we are going to use this instruction. But if you want that instead of mouse I am going to use my keyboard, in that case we will use this instruction when space key pressed. Now here there is the list of different number of keys on the keyboard. By clicking on any key you can start your program. It means that whenever you will press B, small b, then in this way by pressing the B key on the keyboard we can start the execution of the program. So event block is basically related to the execution of the program. Next is the control block. Control means if we want to control the execution or the actions of the sprite. Means for example, it is moving for few steps and then we want that it should wait. After some time it should start again walking. For that we are going to use wait instruction here. Means here we have to tell to the sprite that how much seconds he has to wait. After that we are having this sensing block. Now this is the new block. We are going to learn few instructions from this block also, that uh, how the sprites can sense. But in a previous class we have learned these 4 to 5 blocks there, and we have learned the various instructions also under these blocks. Now here this area where we have dropped the instructions, this area is known as the script area. Script means the program that we make. For example, here I have used the very simple instructions. For example, when I click on the flag, means here I want to use mouse to start the program. Whenever I click on the green flag, then what should happen? The sprite should move for 100 steps. Then it will wait for few seconds. For example, I change the value 1 here as 3. Again, I use this move instruction. Again, I am going to change the number here. Now let's see what will happen. Our first instruction is when flag click, means whenever we will click on the green flag, it will start the execution. It will now see once again what happened. When we click on the green flag, it move for 100 steps, then it wait for few seconds. After that it start moving. For example, once again let's have a look on the stage. It moves, then it is waiting, and then it again starts moving. So this is the program or script. So basically, to make a script, what we do, we simply drag the instruction from the instruction area and we simply drop that instruction into the script area. In this way we can make our script or program. I hope that it will be clear to you. So this cartoon is bright. The area is stage. These are the blocks. These are the instructions. This is the script area where we are going to write the script. And script is basically telling us that what is going to be done on the stage. आप stage पे जो भी काम करवाना चाहते हैं, for that we have to write here the script. Okay.